Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I have for you a little something from a Meesho haul, and I have for you like 6 pieces, and 2 of them are here on the hanger because I bought them like 1 or 2 months back and I wore them a few times, right? And then I have these 4 pieces that I just recently got, right? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. So starting off with the pieces that I have already worn for quite some time, and these are the ones. So this is the first piece, and this is how it looks, right? It is a frock style, that A-shaped top, and here will be the picture. So this is that top, right? So this is 100% cotton. I got it in size medium. It fits really well. It has a pop-off color with this, right? Other than that, it's a pretty simple zigzag pattern blue top, and I mean it's blue color. Blue is my favorite color. I absolutely love this one. It's cotton. It's really well made for the summer, and here will be the picture of how it looks when I wear it. And you know what? Yeah, I really like this one. This has to be like one of my favorite wear. This is something you can wear for office, you can wear it in casual places, and yeah, I mean it can be literally worn everywhere, and that is exactly why I really love this. Yeah, I really love this. So second hub is this piece, and this one again is a little bit more for the office purposes because it is actually a shirt, and this is how it looks. It has this detailing on the collar which actually makes it a little bit more fancy, and has this type of sleeve which makes it again a little bit more fancy. Although this color is like government school ke bachcho ki dress wala color, but you know, again it's blue, and blue is my favorite color. So this top was actually available in one more color. If I'm not wrong, it was more like a pink color, but obviously I have to go for the blue one, and this is how it looks. Now, this actually looked like it might be a little bit more cottony, but this is pure synthetic, okay? The fabric is not very breathable for the summer season. Let me just say that first of all. When you're going to wear this, you might feel like, oh my god, I'm just wearing something so synthetic that I might not be able to breathe sara din, but that is not how it is. I mean, it's pretty lightweight. It is a very sheer fabric. It is pretty see-through, so if you wear nude color ke undergarments अंदर तो उतना पता नहीं लगेगा, right? So don't wear anything colorful, just wear something skin colored, and that would be fine. You know, something that is close to your skin, and that wouldn't look very odd. But it is pretty, how should I say this? It's not breathable, but it is very sheer and very lightweight, so you might ooze sweat, you know, just like you normally would, but the sweat wouldn't be absorbed in it because it is synthetic, so it might make you a little uncomfortable. But it is not something that you cannot bear, because I have wore it like 3-4 times in peak summer, and when I say peak summer, I mean 42-43 degree wala summer, and दोपहर में, and I did manage to work, like ऐसे मुझे मरना नहीं पड़ा, so I think it was fine, okay? Though it is in the size medium, you know, it is a little tight. जब भी मैं size medium में लेती हूँ, it is usually very fitting to me, but this one is a little tight on the bust area. It's like I can't breathe. It just gets me inside, and I'm like packed. Okay, I can't breathe properly in this because of the sizing, and sizing is a little bit of an issue for this one. Okay, other than that, I think I would just give it like a 6 out of 10. If not more, that's the max I can do. So these are the ones that I have tried and tested already, and this is that. And now coming to the new ones. Now I have 4 new ones, and इनको मैंने actually wash करके रखा है because I don't wear clothes unwashed. अगर कुछ भी नया मैं लेती हूँ, so I have this habit of washing them before wearing them, and उससे क्या होता है कि I get to know the quality of the cloth, if it's going to shrink, if it is going to, you know, like इसमें से color निकलेगा या कुछ भी. And all 4 of these, and even both of them, इनमें से किसी में से भी color नहीं निकला था, and none of them actually shrank, so ये सब अपने size पे ही रहे. So coming to the next one, I have this crop top. Now this is like a lettuce trim, that is what they call it, lettuce trim crop top. Lettuce trim because इसके जो sides हैं वो बिल्कुल like even नहीं है, they have this sort of a trim, इसे lettuce trim कहते हैं. And this is a crop top, ribbed crop top, because it has this sort of a pattern. Now मुझे लगा था ये actually, you know, lime color होगा, but it is actually like neon. Okay, it is very lightweight, very soft, and at the same time it is actually pretty see-through. Like if you wear it, it is pretty visible. So whatever you wear beneath, make sure you are wearing that is something, you know, close to your skin color or something like that, because it will be probably pretty visible. So be careful about that with this one. Other than that, I think it's a good crop top, like pretty nice, and it had a variety of colors. So if you are not about the neon color, you can go for literally an array of color. There are a lot of colors, so you can try from that array of colors. And yeah, next up I have two t-shirts. Since we are into the casual ones, I have two tie-dye t-shirts. This was a set of two t-shirts from the same seller. This is the first one. This is in a little lime blue and white number, and then the second one is this pink and pink purple type of thing. Now जिस seller से मैंने ये ली है उसके पास बहुत सारे prints हैं tie dyes में, and you know, casual t-shirts, really pretty t-shirts, you know, for you to wear in every day, at home, outside, very casual, very funky and nice, and tie dye में तो especially. And these were, I believe, ये सिर्फ 350 की दो थी. So it's really cheap, okay, it's very affordable. But here's the thing, this is not cotton, this is rayon, and that is the first thing. So if you are about cotton tie dyes, this is not your thing, this is rayon. I have wore this type of fabric pehle, so I don't really mind it, okay, although it's not a very breathable fabric in, you know, garmiyon ka season. You might feel a little discomfort, but it is very lightweight, right? It wouldn't absorb like a lot of your sweat, or maybe it will, I don't know, like I'm not very good at fabrics, okay, but this is not cotton and you might feel a little uncomfortable for the summer season. But I have wore this type of fabric in summer, and it's pretty lightweight, like it's not something that makes you very uncomfortable and you might feel कि oh ये मैंने क्या पहन लिया. So in that case I would say these are not bad, these are good, but if you wanted cotton then this is not for you. Coming to this one, actually जब मैंने फोटो में देखा था, it had more like a lime and white, उसमें blue नहीं था. For some reason this has blue to it, but what I'm actually speculating is that tie dye is something you just print, you know, साथ के साथ, so maybe the prints do change, I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता. And the last one that I have for you is again in the lime color. Like, yeah, I love lime color as well, so that is that. And this is the top. Now because I washed it, I haven't ironed it, so this is how it looks. Iron it before wearing. I obviously will not, because I'm extremely lazy right now. So this is the top and this is how it looks. It's pretty cute, it's cotton and it's well made. मैंने जब इसको देखा था तो मुझे लगा था ये बहुत बड़ी है. Like see how big it is huge. Of course it's a little bit like खुली, it's a little, how did I say this, खुले को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? It is a little loose, stupid girl. It is a little loose, of course, like not very, you know, how should I say, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट नहीं है. It is of course a little loose, so थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा बड़ी लगती है. But I have one problem with this top. In the picture you can see this top actually looks very bright in color, but for some reason it's not that bright, है ना? Usually आप फोटो में देखोगे it's like lime color के ऊपर white color के prints हैं, but in reality it's like white के ऊपर lime के prints हैं. It's a little too dull for my taste. I would have wanted to be a little bit more brighter lime color, and then I think it would have been a favorite of mine. Yep, so that's it from Meesho, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll give you the codes in the description box for you to check them out. Yep, so that's it. Okay, so yes guys, I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.